Hey guys, so my hair looks nice. Yeah. Hey guys, so I wanted to try the whole club factory trend that is going on in internet nowadays. So let's just straight ahead jump into the haul. So club factory is basically kind of an international, wide variety, cheap, affordable price kind of a site, and if you just go through the site, you will be intrigued to buy one or two stuff. So I went ahead and placed my order on Club Factory. So I placed my order on 5th of January and I got my product exactly 2 weeks or a little bit more than that. It's quite delayed, but still it's way better. Like what I have seen these days, like people do not get the order and anything. That didn't happen to me. So I'm quite satisfied with my order. So let's just straight ahead and get in the haul. So everything came in this plastic Club Factory packet. Inside it had like bubble wrapped, and everything that I ordered came individually packed in this Ziploc kind of a bag. So let's just see what I have bought from Club Factory. So the first product that I bought is this cute little picnic pack sort of a thing. So it has this velcro kind of an clothing thing, and inside there is an insulated kind of aluminium foiling like lining inside this, and it's in this great sunshine yellow color. So another thing that I wanted to tell you guys, that I didn't select this color or this design. It was in a completely random. I really wanted this color actually from 2 to 3 colors or design that was there. So I'm pretty happy, and the quality is really nice. So the picnic bag costed me around 114.07 rupees. It's quite worth it for the price. So the next product I bought is this cute little headband kind of a thing, like when you don't want your hair messing up with your face. It's really nice. It is of a great quality. I have this kind of a similar hairband sort of a thing from Amazon. It's it's in black color and it has cat ears, and that was for around 200 or 300 rupees. Costed me around 136.24. It's really worth it. It has this like fuzzy kind of a material which is really nice, and I wished they had like darker colors because white tends to get a little bit messy. So but I really like it. Quite worth the price. So the next thing I bought is this basic cup or mug kind of a thing. I bought this basically to like put my toothbrush and toothpaste in. In the picture it was showing like something of a tough quality glass or even matte finish, like it is made up of stone, but it's of a plastic, and it's of a great quality plastic, by the way. It's of a cream beige color, not exactly white. So it costed me around 89 rupees. Again, this was a random color. I really wanted the white one though, and I got this, so I'm getting pretty lucky till now. So next thing I got is a set of 5 chopstick gift set kind of a thing. I really like eating from chopstick because it tends to make you eat less. It comes in this 5 pairs, 1 2 3 4 5. It comes in 5 different shapes. It is made of a good quality wood. By the way, these are Japanese chopstick, the one which are steeper at the end, because Japanese people incorporate a lot of fish in their diet, so they need to debone the fish, and for deboning you need something sharper. So this is Japanese kind of chopstick, and this is the chopstick I prefer because this is much more easier to eat with. So these are the 5 chopsticks that I got, and the price of the 5 chopsticks were around 227, and it's of a great quality, by the way. I didn't expect the quality to be this much nice, so I really like it. So the next pair of chopsticks are these kind of a gift set kind of a thing. So this one is of a Korean style. It's in stainless steel. The chopstick and the spoon has this red and golden kind of a finish, which is quite nice, and the spoon is like staple Korean shape spoon. I really like it, and I initially bought this for gifting purpose, but the box is quite tampered, as you can see. So I don't know what I will do with that, but it's of a great quality, guys. So that chopstick set was around 120 bucks. Quite worth it. So the next thing I bought, guys, is this pouch right here. It's of a clear pouch. I saw this exactly same thing of exactly same dimension on 3 websites: Amazon, Prop Shop, and the website I don't remember. In 3 of them, the price was around 300 till 700 bucks. You won't even believe how cheap is this. I got this for around 94 rupees. It's really cheap and it's of exactly same quality. I really like it. The next thing are these pair of feathery kind of an earring which is in nowadays. This was really cheap. So this was for around 79 to 80 bucks. It's really of a good quality and I really like it. The next product I got is this brooch kind of a thing. You can hook it up in your denim jacket or cargo type of jacket kind of thing. It has 3 of them. One is this cactus, the second one is this geometry kind of finish, and next is this heart which says kiss me. So this was for around 128 bucks. Again, this was of a random choice that Club Factory did. So I'm quite happy with this. Again, I wanted this 3. So I'm quite happy again. The next thing I bought is this card holder, Minion card holder thing. It's really cute. It's of a good size and inside lining I really wanted that to be of a plastic, but as you can see it's of paper. But overall for the cuteness I really like it. So this was for around 142 bucks. The next thing guys is I don't know what I will do with it. I bought 2 or 3 of them. Actually, I thought this product to be at least this much big so I can store my tea and other stuff there because it's written tea. But it is quite small as you can see. The quality is nice. I don't have any complaint regarding that. I only have complaint regarding the size, but it's still quite cute. So this was for around 114. I don't know, you can get this exactly same in India also. I don't know. Quite nice. For this I didn't see the dimension because in Club Factory you need to see dimension, you need to see reviews, everything to get satisfied product. I didn't see it, so I didn't get satisfied with it. So it's quite nice for the price also. So that's that. So the next 2 things are these 2 silicone coasters. The first one is of a emotion that is in the line messenger, and the second one is just a fruit shaped thing. Again, these 2 are of random. I didn't selected them. They came in random. So the line one costed 79 rupees and the fruit one costed 74 rupees. So the next thing I bought are these cotton pads. In the description it was like mentioning 1000 pieces, because for 1000 pieces it was saying it is for around 274.39 rupees. I didn't know what to expect, so the box also came tampered, but that's not an issue. But the initial product, as you guys can see, is very thin. It is not unusable. I can still use for like a layering sheet mask kind of a thing, like the layered cotton pad, the ones that you soak it in toner and then peel it and then use it for a quick face mask sort of a thing. I can still use this. I need to get 4 or 5 at one go and dip it in toner and then use it in my face for 274 rupees. It's really worth it. So the next thing guys is this sticker, like wall sticker. So this sticker was for around 114 rupees. It's 45 by 90 centimeters, quite a good size, and for the price tag it's fine. But the initial product is not the same print. It is transparent with this green clover design. So I don't know what I will do with this product. If it's of a good quality, then Club Factory has different kinds of pattern and stuff. So I don't know. Let's see how it goes. So the next thing I bought is this bohemian sort of wall organizer, wall hanging. It has this wooden dowel to support this whole thing, and it has 4 pockets where you can store your keys and whatnot. It's quite of a good quality. In the back you have this waterproof kind of a material. In the front it has like this jute kind of a material. So this was for around 183 rupees, which is quite worth it for the product. It's really nice. I really want to get more of these because it looks amazing. So the next couple of items are stationery from Club Factory. I don't know why people don't talk about it, but Club Factory has some amazing stationery. Like, I'm not even kidding. Amazing stationery which you can't get in India, and if you can get in India, they're quite expensive, and these stationeries are like under 100 or under 200 bucks. So the first one is this weekly planner. It has space for your goal, your date, your weekly goals, and it also has 7 days of the week, and also a small space to write your notes. I think the ink won't bleed because the paper is of very nice quality. A note sort of a thing, you can attach it to your memo board or something like that, and I think it has around 20 to 30 sheets. It's quite worth the price. So this was for around 102 bucks. It's really nice for the price. I really like it. that's that. The next is again a weekly planner, but it's quite cute and but you can say a proper planner. It has this spiral kind of a binding. Again, this was of a random like they selected it for me. There was a bunch of different like selection, but I really wanted the chicken one, and they gave me the chicken one. This was again, and I wanted the pink color because there were options like pink and brown. I wanted the pink one, so I got the pink one. Again, how Club Factory knew about my choices, I don't know. So coming to this product, it is again a weekly planner. So here as you can see, there are 7 days of the week, and there are also for each week, like till Friday, you have a space for checklist thing. And the back side of the page, back side of every week's planning page, there is a free space called free note. You can note stuff and you can write your agenda and stuff. It's really of a nice quality, and the paper quality is also nice. And the planner was for around $209. It's really worth it, guys. Check out the stationery from Club Factory. I don't know why people don't talk about stationery from Club Factory. All they try like the clothes and cheap clothes and cheap shoes. Of course, you would be disappointed. Sometimes they turn out wow, but most of the times it turns out disappointed. But stationery can't go wrong in Club Factory. I assure you guys, stationery are the best. So try stationery next time. The next stationery I bought is this small checklist kind of a little memo which you can throw in your purse and whatnot. It is in a sticky note kind of a finish. It has space for your day, and it has Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, which day you want to do. You can tick that. So it's basically a to-do list, and at the end you have this little space where you can write your memo and stuff. It has again 20 to 30 sheets. It's really worth it. Again, this was random. Yeah, I wanted the checklist one. Again, how did Club Factory knew about my choices? It was for around $90. It's really worth it. I really like it. So the next pair of sticky note. This is the sticky note. It has this standard sticky label kind of a thing, which has like cartoon character or anime character. It's of a nice quality. Again, I think they are of 10 to 20 sheets each in 4 of them, and this was for around $86. Again, I wanted this. I don't know how I got everything that I wanted. This amazing store called Artbox in South Korea. If you guys know about the store, it's from Artbox, guys, and it cost around 86 rupees, like really cheap. It's really nice. It's from Artbox, so the quality is really nice. So that's that. So if you guys are a huge fan of line friends, then you really would like this, because this is Rilakkuma style sticky notes. It has 4 sticky labels. It has 20 to 30 each, and this is the big one. It's really nice. It's of a really good quality. Again, it's a Korean product. I don't know, it's of the Artbox line or Artbox store. So it's quite worth it. So the price for this was around 92 rupees. And it's really nice. I really like it, guys. Check out the stationery. So the next thing I bought, guys, is again a planner. I'm really obsessed with planner, but this is of a sticky note kind of a thing, and it is really petite. You can put some things like to do things and put it in your planner. You can decorate with it, like a really cute little weekly planner, which you can write a few things there, but it's really of a nice quality. Again, it has around 20 to 30 sheets. The price for this one was around 114 rupees. Again, I wanted this. I don't know how they knew, because I found this mushroom quite cute and I wanted this. Random ones are my favorite. So this was that. Again, worth it. The last piece of stationery that I bought was this bird sticky tape. Again, I think it's from Artbox. So this is a bird pattern to-do list. It has 3 checklists. I think it has around 10 to 20 sheets each. It's again quite worth. The price was this around 119 rupees. It's really quite cute. So that makes the end of the stationery haul. And the last 2 products are really amazing, guys. I didn't know how Club Factory has it affordable price. Really excited. This one I didn't expect I will get in India, because this is freaking bento. This is like expensive in Amazon. Like one bento I was seeing, it was of a really cheap quality and it costed around 500 or 900 rupees. But this was for around, how cheap? This was for around 250 rupees. Can you imagine? So it has this rubber band kind of a thing to put the bento all together. So the first one is the lid, of course. So when you open the lid, it has this slot for putting your cutlery, and they included a freaking Rilakkuma chopstick. How cute. So this has a snuggy little socket for your chopstick to go in, especially the ones they have given. And then when you open this, then it has this removable or adjustable slot kind of a thing, so you can adjust it for how much you food want to put in each category. So the next one again has this separating lid. So when you open the lid, it is around half of the size of the first one, so it's quite nice, guys. I really would have never thought like I will get Rilakkuma stuff and bento box the top of that in such a good quality and in such a great price. I really like it, really like it. So this was the worth it product. I don't know, it's really, I really like it, guys. Check out the cute anime or stationery stuff from there. I really like it. So the last but definitely not the least is this Totoro purse. Oh my god, I didn't expect Totoro to be there. So this purse was the expensive item of all the items. This was for around 472 bucks, but it's worth it in every penny. The quality is amazing. So this is the Totoro purse. You have plenty of space to put everything you can imagine in your purse. So the first one has this card holder, the photo keeper, and again more cards. And the next one has this your typical money storing, and again more cards. And in the back it says my neighbor, my lovely neighbor, and it has this mushroom like staple Studio Ghibli movie mushrooms. I really like it, guys. This is the worth it product of all this and the Rilakkuma one. I really like it. I didn't expect it Club Factory to be this good. So this are the worth it winners right here. So with that, I finished my Club Factory haul, guys. I really wanted to do this Club Factory haul for quite some time. When the first time I saw this website and I saw the hauls and everything in the internet, I really wanted to do this, but most of them I saw the reviews were quite disappointing, so I was a little skeptical. So I excluded all the clothing and kind of looking fishy items from the list, and I straight ahead went with stationery and home goods. I still have not seen any stationery Club Factory hauls till now, but stationery is the one I recommend the most. The Club Factory is a winner for stationery. So hey guys, that was it for my video. I hope you enjoyed it because I really enjoyed the product. So all the product links are in the description box. The website link is also in the description box. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I do while filming this video. Okay, hold on. The announcement. So as you guys can see by the title, this is my first video. So I wanted to welcome you guys by doing a welcome giveaway sort of a thing for those who are watching this video now. So the giveaway winner will win a goodie bag. So the giveaway winner will win this Amazon Basics backpack. It's really a basic backpack and you can't get wrong with it. It has slots for your laptop and stuff which you can imagine. It's really of a good quality. Also will be getting a pouch, this pouch right here with the earring that I mentioned in this haul, and 3 other more things which is a surprise. So the rules of the giveaway are quite simple. You need to like, comment, share my video, follow me on all of my social media handles, link to which would be in the description box below, and also comment what type of videos you guys want me to do next. I really would try to do all the video suggestion I get. So write down a comment below. So all the giveaway rules would be in the bottom box below. If you like this video, again like, comment and share this video. So I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye bye.
Can you be my la la la?